All right, we have the Vevor or Vevor, however you want to pronounce it. Wire stripping machine model 038-MDA. It's just a regular 110 wall plug going in there. Honestly, for under $200, I thought it was a pretty good value. It suits my needs pretty well. Now, I've ran about a bucket this size already through it, just to break it all down to bare copper. And obviously it's going to be a little time consuming, but you can feed it right along into the different size gauged holes. And I never had a problem. Nothing really got jammed up or locked or anything. Now, one thing is you're probably going to be using the 12 romex line or 14 line. And the 14 and 12 wire holes more often than these bigger ones. So I'm curious, over time, these might get worn out, obviously, and the blade might have to be changed. They do actually provide you with a couple backups, which is nice. And they give you gloves if you need it. So I can see, over time, that's the most common wire you're using, for me at least. So I'll probably have to go in there and change those, but I haven't had a problem yet. I will say though, for under $200 I bought this for, I've probably made my money back in just stripping the copper already. So that's a plus. So I've got some 12 wire here. I'll go ahead and turn it on and show you how it runs. Just a quick little flip of a switch. I'll feed that right in the hole. Feeds right out, automatically feeding. Strips it right down. And as you can see, I can pull the sheathing off now, expose all the wires, and then I can run the hot and neutral through it, the 12 gauge hole. To get the copper off that. And it's pretty quick, I will say. And it pulls off very easy. I can do this with one hand even. All right, I got 2 THHN here. I'll go ahead and run the bigger wire through just to show you how the bigger stuff works. Go ahead and turn that on. And strips it without any problem at all. Pretty quick as well. And as you can see, you got the hole right there, exposing all the copper. So there's a quick little review. Like I said, it's fairly simple to use. I'm happy with it. One thing I will mention is these are adjustment knobs up top. It'll adjust the pitch to see how much space you want in between the wires, so you can strip it down more or not as much. So that's a nice little attachment they added. The motor seems strong as well. Like I said, it's never locked up or jammed on me, so cannot complain. There are nice little mounting brackets here too if you want to screw it down to a workbench. So no, I am not paid to do this review. I just wanted to give my honest little review over the whole thing. I'm just a residential electrician. It suits my needs for now, and I'm happy with it.